more people are becoming more confident. We're 28 people maybe in Feb, we now have something like 45, and those numbers are actually improving and indicating there is a level of confidence that's coming in where you're not yet out of the woods, because as you know, we do need to fix the structural reform areas that we need to sort out, issues relating to rail, issues relating to power generation, and of course the unemployment rate is a serious area of concern. As you'd imagine, when unemployment is high, people are not buying goods and services. That discourages people from investing, either organically investing in growing their businesses or establishing new plant and equipment, or investing in new businesses, because when you invest you need to be able to find customers who are going to buy your goods. So if people are not employed, on the one side it's a negative environment. On the other side, the interest rate cycle is negative at this particular point in time, is very high. But what we saw with the trade survey is that we didn't see too many price increases on the cost line. We didn't see too many price increases on the retail line in terms of people who are actually supposed to be buying things. That may bode well for the future of what's going to happen with inflation and interest rates. As you know, there's a symbiotic relationship between inflation and interest rates. Inflation goes up, the monetary authorities generally respond by increasing the rate of interest that you pay. However, because we're in an economy where most people's disposable incomes generally go into what we refer to as the FIRE sector, which is finance, insurance, real estate, when you have a bond, you have a house, you've got personal loans, interest rates go up, you end up with less disposable income. It is that disposable income that generally fuels the economy and the business, because that's the money that generally should be going into the buying of productive assets, production and services. So when you have a negative interest rate and inflation rate outlook, and an unemployment outlook that's still negative, as unemployment is getting worse, not getting better, then it is always going to cause people to hesitate, including all the other structural issues that I've actually mentioned. So hopefully when we get out of the elections and we start getting much more serious in resolving all the significant problems that we have with the infrastructure, power infrastructure, water and sanitation infrastructure, telecoms infrastructure, and all the infrastructure that we need to be rail and haulage infrastructure, roads that we need to be able to fuel the economy, fixing the education, building the skills and competencies. Only then can we have a medium to long-term positive outlook that would be sustainable.